We are going to begin now. The first thing I'm going to ask you, and I would like you to put your answer in the comments, is what kind of things do we as humans do to take care of ourselves? Can you guys think of anything that we do to take care of ourselves? I can think of things that I do to take care of myself. So, one thing that I need to feel safe and secure is I need to have a roof over my head. So, I have a home. I have this lovely house that I live in. I'm in my office right now. But my home has, you can hear my dogs, they're playing right now. But I have a bedroom, I have a bathroom, I have a kitchen, a living room, and I have a nice big yard to hang out in. Let's see. So someone said take a bath, eat, trim our nails. So those are some good things. Eat healthy food. That's an excellent answer. All right. Wash yourself. Also an excellent answer. Yeah. So those are some cool things that we do to take care of ourselves. Try to eat healthy food. It's always good to try. Sometimes you're in a hurry and you can't eat as healthy as you want to, so you stop and get some fast food occasionally. Get some vitamin C. Yeah, that'll keep you healthy. Excellent. So those are definitely some things to make humans healthy. And some other things are, drink plenty of water. That way we don't get dehydrated. Eat healthy foods, make sure we're getting the proper nutrition that we need. Like I was talking about, having that home above our house, so like a shelter, that way we can get the adequate rest and everything that we need and feel safe. We also need to make sure that we're feeling emotionally well. So just making sure that we're always in good spirits and trying to be emotionally happy and doing things that make us happy. Things that make me happy are going outside on walks. I like to, take some time for myself, maybe read a book or watch something that I enjoy, and then having that social aspect. So chatting with my friends. I know a lot of people right now are kind of having a problem with that because sometimes their way of being social is going out with other people, but there are definitely ways to be social when you are not allowed, when you have to, be taking part of social distancing. So, but we have things like, Zoom and FaceTime and things like that where we can still chat with each other. Awesome. Hey, friends. I'm gonna need to calm down just a little bit, okay? Thank you. Just lay down. Just cool. Okay. Sorry about that. All right. So next question: what kinds of things do animals need to be taken care of? And then for those of you who have pets, just think about what things do you do for your pets to make sure that they're happy and healthy. I know for my dogs, to make sure they're happy and healthy, I need to make sure that I take my dogs outside and throw the ball around so they are nice and energized, and then they don't feel like they're just moping around the house all the time, because that would be really boring for them if they just stayed in the house all the time. And then, to take care of my cats, I need to make sure that we scoop their litter box and change it often. That way, they're not in such a gross place. But tell me, what kinds of things do you do with your animals to make them feel happy and healthy? Okay. All right. Let me think of some other things I do with my animals to make sure that they're happy and healthy. I need to make sure that my dogs have a lot of water and food. I see Kimberly said pets need food and water. Absolutely. I know my dogs especially, they are very food driven. So if they see you eating your own food, they're like, hey, what's up? I want some. But we try to feed them mostly dog food because we don't want them too spoiled. And just remembering to give them lots of water, because sometimes we forget that they need water too. Play with my cat so she is happy. Lydia, that's an awesome idea. I like to play with my cats too. We have like little things on strings that we pull across the carpet, and they really love that. And little toy mice and stuff and things with jingly bells make my cat happy. Feed my cat so she is healthy. Absolutely. Play with them. Yeah, a lot of that it seems really, really similar to what we were talking about humans. We want to make sure they get enough food and the right kind of food. We want to make sure they get water so they don't get dehydrated. We want to make sure that they have a good place to live. If we have an indoor animal, making sure that they have a space that's all their own. My dog's over here. You can't really see it right now, but they have some dog beds so they can just chill out, hang out, and have some space for themselves. My dogs also have crates that they like to hang out in when they just need a time away from each other. They'll hang out in their crates unprovoked. I don't have to tell them to go in there. They'll just do it. They also need to be emotionally happy. So, taking time to play with them, definitely a good idea. I've got cat hair in my mouth from nowhere. This is my life every day. Giving them the emotional and social interactions that they need to stay happy and healthy. So, we talked about what humans need. We talked about what animals need. So, what are the things that both of us need, both animals and humans need to stay happy and healthy? Go ahead and put that in the chat. I know I'm looking back at all your comments, and a lot of them are saying the same thing. I'm seeing that, animals and humans, they need good and nutritious food to stay happy and healthy. They need plenty of water. But what other things can you guys think of that will keep both humans and animals happy and healthy? We chase each other. Yes, that's good for both of us, right? The dogs are getting some exercise. We're getting some exercise. That is a great way for both of us to interact. Anything else? Can anybody else think of anything? It's all right if you can't. But yeah, basically what we mentioned for all of them. We need food, water, shelter, emotional and social support to be able to be happy and healthy. Both humans and animals, we're a lot alike. And we both need those things. So now that we've talked about what humans and animals need to be happy and healthy, I kind of have a game for you. So I would love, somebody else just put love in the comments. We all need love. But I would love for all of you to try to participate in this. I know there's more than just the 5 people who are commenting out there, and it'll be a little bit more fun if you guys are all sharing what you guessed. That way I know that we're playing along. But the game that we're going to play, it's called Oh Dear, and normally you play it outside with a bunch of people, but we can't really do that right now because we are all social distancing right now. But that's okay. I kind of modified it. That way we can play it on the computer. So, like I said, the name of the game is Oh Dear, and we now know that all animals need food, water, and shelter, among other things, to be healthy and thrive. Now, I need you all to imagine that you are a deer, okay? So I want you to put your little deer ears up. They can turn, listening for things, Or if you want to be a boy deer, you can go like that. Or a reindeer. Female reindeer have antlers too. But be a deer, okay? So you are a deer, and in order to, live a happy and healthy life, you need food, water, and shelter, right? I have some pieces of paper right here. They're just Post-its, and they have some words on them, which just so happen to be food, water, and shelter, okay? I am going to choose one, and I'm not going to tell you which one it is. And I want you to also choose one in the comments. And the goal is to guess the same, let's call it a resource, the same resource that I chose. And then I'm going to reveal it. If you chose the same resource I chose, then you have that resource now, okay? We're going to play a couple more rounds, and the goal of this is for you to collect all 3 resources. If you collect all 3 resources, then sorry, I'm having trouble talking today. Congratulations, you are able to thrive and survive. If you don't collect all 3 resources, that's okay. It happens, because sometimes there's a drought and we don't have enough water. So we might have a hard time for a while. Okay, but that's okay. And sometimes our habitat is destroyed. So we might not have the proper shelter that we need, but it's okay. We'll find another one. And sometimes just our food resources are running out and we won't have it at that time. But the goal at the end of this game is to collect all 3: food, water, and shelter. So I hope you guys are ready because here we go. I'm choosing my first Post-it. I'm going to put it right here. I chose a different one because you could see it. Okay. Put it in front of my computer. It's right there. Okay. I'm going to give you a couple seconds to type what you choose into the comments. Alrighty. Don't see anything coming in yet. I want to see my first one come in. And then I will show you what I chose. Okay, I see one. Excellent. I see a couple. Okay, they're all coming in now. I see a lot of people chose water. Okay, you ready to see what I chose? Okay. My first one was water. So if you picked water, congratulations, you now have water. If you didn't, that's okay. We're gonna try to play a couple rounds, so hopefully you'll get them all, but it's okay if you don't. Okay. All right. Are you guys all ready for the next round? Yeah, I can hear you all across my computer. Yes, Chelsea, we're ready. We're so ready to play this. Keep going. Stop talking. Let's do this. All right. I'm picking my next one. Okay. I'll do the little Jeopardy song again. Give you enough time to type in there because I know I have a little bit of a lag. I'm seeing your comments, but I've chosen. Now type in the log. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Alrighty, I am ready to show you, and I'm sure all of these are going to show up right as I tell you. I see a shelter. Okay, someone chose shelter. I know a couple more are going to roll in here. I chose food. All right. If you chose food, congratulations. You now have food to be food, not foov. That's not a word. You now have food to be able to thrive and survive. Congratulations. Okay. I'm gonna do it again. Are we ready? Yeah, Chelsea, we're ready. Awesome. All right. Got my next one. I'm ready. I'm gonna do my Jeopardy song. Here we go. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. All right. So I still see some leftover ones from last time, but that's okay. I'm gonna show you what I chose. Here we go. Are we ready? If you chose shelter, you now have shelter. Congratulations. All right, I'm gonna do a couple more that way. If anyone didn't get it the first time, hopefully you'll be able to get it again. So let's do this. All right, I'm gonna choose one. Okay, let's do it again. You ready? I'm gonna go faster this time, so you're gonna type faster. Here we go. Do 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 do. Wow, wow. Okay, I got my next one. I don't see anything in the comments yet, but I'm gonna show you anyway. Water. If you missed water the first time, it's okay. You got it now. If you didn't, that's okay. There's another opportunity. I'm gonna start. Okay, I'm gonna do it fast again. So get them typing fingers ready. I hope I didn't show you already. I'm gonna just mix these up. Oops. Okay, cool. I chose one. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Oh, Scout, thank you, little buddy. All right, that's enough. All right, I chose food. If you got food, congratulations. All right, I am gonna end playing this game. It's okay if you didn't get it on your own. You can definitely try playing this at home. All you would need is just a scrap piece of paper, and you can play it with your, family, and try to collect all three. If you didn't get it, that's okay. Sometimes not all animals are able to have all of those things that they need to thrive, but it'll be okay. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in today for our Daisies 3 Cheers for Animal Birdbath Award. To finish out this journey, just make sure you review the steps of the Red Robin and Tula Award. Again, the Red Robin Award is Daisies will use their knowledge and creativity to teach others how to care for animals. And then the Tula Award is Daisies gain courage and confidence in teaching others about animal care. All right. I forgot to ask, did anybody get all three in the comments before I sign off? I am curious to know if anybody got all three. But I'll just keep going, and I'll read in a minute. But yeah, to complete this, make sure you do your Take Action Award. And then when you're finished with all three awards, you would be able to purchase that that journey from the shop online, because obviously we are not open in person right now. And if you need any tips or tricks on how to complete that, you can, if you have access to the volunteer toolkit, you can definitely check that out. And there's definitely some other online resources if you don't have the steps right in front of you, with little things to show you what you can do. All right. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And if you enjoyed this video and you're not a Girl Scout but would like to join Girl Scouts, visit girlscouts.org/join to find out more about becoming a member.